Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It is lesson 1.2, yani chapter 1, lesson 2. The title of my lesson is Place Value Through Millions. At the end of the lesson, what we should learn, we are going to learn how to find place value of a given digit in a number. They will give us a number, then they will ask how much is this, the value of this digit, or to find how many ones, tens, hundreds, thousands in a given number. For example, I have this number. It is 132,436,895. They use the place value chart and they place the digit in the place value chart, and they wrote for you the value of each digit. For example, they started with the 5. 5 once, it's multiplied by 1. It tens 9, it is 9 multiplied by 10. 8 is in the hundred, so it multiply 8 by 100. 6 by 1000, 3 by 10,000, 4 by 100,000, 2 by millions, 3 by 10 millions, 1 by 100 millions. If you add all these numbers, you will get 132,436,895. So in this lesson, we are going to know the value of any digit in a number. This lesson will be divided in two parts. We are not going to finish this lesson in 1 hour. We'll do half of it today, and next week it will be the second part. Let's go to the example. Look what they wrote here. Write the value of the underlying digit. They gave us a number and they put a red line under the 6. First, let's read the number. Yes, the number is 609,532. First, we are going to name the place the 6. Where is the 6? The 6 where? The 6 is in the 100,000. 100,000. What is the meaning of 100,000? It means 6 multiply. 100, how many zeros? Yes, correct, 2 zeros. With 1,003, in all, it will be 5 zeros. So, first, I should decide in which place is the 6. The 6 is in the 100,000. This is number 1. Number 2, let's write the value of the 6. The 6 will go down times. Instead of 100, I will give the 1 2 zeros. With 1,003 zeros, in all they will be 5. So, how I will multiply? I will say 6 times 1. The basic fact عندي 6 times 1. The answer is 6. Then how many zeros will go down? 5 zeros. So it is 600,000. Let's do this one together. Let's read the number. It is 12,504,617. What digit they underline? This, the 0. Where is the 0? This is, if you start from the beginning, ones, tens, hundred. This is the ones. 1,000, this is the ones, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the 0 is in the place موجود وين؟ في replace the 0 10,000. I will write it like that. 10,000. Now, how much is the number 0? Now we are going to write value. It is 0 times 10. How many zeros for the 10? 1 0. So it is 1 0, comma. 1,000, how many zeros? 3. 1 2 3. Now I need to find the value. If you multiply the basic fact, 0 times 1, it is 0. So the value of the 0 is 0. In this case, no need to find the value of it. We only can say what is the place. The place is 10,000, because any number multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Okay? So 0 times 10,000, it is 0. Even لو كانت 0 times 1 million or 10 million, the answer should be 0. any number multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Now, the 0 in the hundreds place is a placeholder only. Why? Someone will say, Miss, why we use it? If you don't use it, for example, here, if I have this place value chart, okay, and I need to write this number, 12,504,617. If you don't use it, that means the place of the 10,000 will be empty. So your number will be like that. If you don't use it, your number will be okay. Now let's count how many digit we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. You reach the 10 millions. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. This is the period of the ones, 1,000. You reach the ones of the millions. You lose one place value اللي هو tens millions because you didn't put 0 between the 5 and the 4. So we say above the 5, if I am above the 0, if I am using the 0, this means that this 0 will hold the place. يعني بيحفظ المكان في العربي، بيحفظ مكانة 10,000. Okay, if you don't use it, you will lose this place value holder. So this is very important note here. The 0 in the hundreds, we call it in the 100 place is a placeholder. We call this placeholder. Okay, now let's do this number. What do I have here? I have 521,357,601. Now, what is the name of this place? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is once what? Once 1,000. So I will write place. I will write once 1,000, or you can write it 1,000 only. No need to write once if you want. It is in the ones 1,000, or you can write 1,000. If you say 1,000, it means once, but you need to write 10,000 or 100. But if you use the word 1,000, it means the first place in the 1,000. Now, this is the place. Now, let's see what is the value. What digit they underline? 7 times. Ones, it means no zeros. Ones, no zeros. With 1,000, how many zeros? 3. So it is 7 times 1,000. Okay, equal what? 7,000. The value of the digit 7 in this place is 7,000. Now, look what they wrote for you here. They wrote for you the name of the place is 1,000. The value 7 times 1,000, it will give us 7,000. Okay, remember, underline the wanted place value. If you want to solve like this question, you need first to underline the digit you want to look after it, then replace all digits to its right by 0. For example, if I have 1,000, it means 3 zeros. 100,000, 100, 2 zeros. With 1,000, 3. In all, it will be 5, like that. Now let's go to page 10. Move with me with your books to page 10, and let's do question number 1. Write the value of the underlying digit. Okay, they only want you to write the value of it. They don't want, like the question here, write the value of the underlying digit. Okay, sorry, it's the same. First, we are going to name the place, then we are going to find the value. Where is the 8? The 8 is in the, here is the place value chart. Okay, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in where? 10,000. It is in 10,000. So you will write here 10,000. Then I will write down the value. The 8 will stay 8. 10 will give us how many zeros? 1 0. With 1,003. So it is 80,000. So the value of the 8 in 10,000, it is 80,000. Let's go down. Let's read the number first. 876,148,713. Where is the underlying digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 100,000. So I will write here 100,000. Thousands. Then what is the digit in the 100,000? 1. 1. 100 will give the 1 how many zeros? 2 zeros. With 1,000 how many? 3. In all there will be 5 zeros. This means it is 100,000. The value of the 1 in this place is 100,000. Let's go to number 3. 39,806,527. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It means 10,000. The name of the period is 1,000. So it is 10,000. The value of it is 0. What did we say about the 0? It is place value holder. It's only keep the place. So the value of it is 0. Even how many zeros? 0 with 10 1 0 with 1,000 4 0. Multiply by 0, the answer at the end it is 0. Okay, so the value of the 0 in the 10,000 is 0. Now let's go to this part. Read 495,630,210. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8, it's here 8. 8 here. It is 10 millions. 10 millions. So it is the name of the place is 10 millions. And the value of it is 9. 9 with how many zeros? 9. 10 will give us 1 0. Will million how many zeros? 6. So 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. So it is 90 millions. Now let's go to this number 8. It is in 3 6 7. 7 in ones millions. I will not write ones millions. I will write only millions. It is millions. Okay, now how many zeros for the 8? In millions, 3 6 zeros in front. So it will be 6 with comma 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 here with 3 here. It is 8, yes, not 6. It is 8 millions, sorry. 8 in the ones millions, يعني millions. 8 with 6 zeros, it will be 8 millions. The last one, it is in the 100 millions. It is what? 7. So I will write 100 hundreds millions. And how many zeros for the 7? 9 0. It will be 6 6 8 6 6 3 with 3 6 2 8. So it will be 100 700 millions. Okay, now here they write for you the number, and they are asking for the value of each digit, not one digit. and they are going to start from the biggest one. يعني you will go to the last one. Let's read the number. It is 765,912. The 7 is in the 100,000, 6 is in 10,000, 5 in the 1,000, 9 in the hundreds, 1 in the 10, and 2 in the ones. If you multiply and add, you will get this number. This number we call it expanded form. Expanded form. Now let's go to this number 400. We call this name expanded form. When you use the value of each digit, you are writing the number in the expanded form. Now let's go to question 2. 423,812,743. Let's write from the 4. It is 100 millions. 4, 2, 10 millions, 3 millions. Look how I name this place millions. In the ones, I don't say once millions, I will say only millions. So you will multiply 3 with millions, with 6 zeros. Now let's go to the 1,000 period. It's 8 times 100,000, 1 times 10,000, 2 times 1,000 in the millions, 7 times hundreds, 4 and 3. Now in this question they wrote the opposite of number 1. They gave us the expanded form and they want what? The standard form. The standard form. They want the standard form. This name is called the standard form. This is expanded. In this question they give us this expanded and they want the standard. We should start from here. This is 300 millions. So it will, yani as if 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 وهنا 1 2 3. Okay, now they wrote 300 millions. My number will be here, 300 million. 2 millions. They skip what? The tens. Remember, because I have only 6 zeros. A 10 should have 7 zeros. So I will write here 2. To keep the place, I will write 0. Now here 500,000. 500 here, 1,000. Then they skipped and they went to what? 976. To keep these places, 1,000 with 10,000, what I am going to do? I will put zeros. Let's read the number. It is 302,500,976. Again, I will repeat what I did here. I will put dash it. This is the ones period. This is the 1,000 period. And this is the millions. My number is 700 what? 1,000. They didn't use this period. They didn't use the millions. They started from the 1,000. It is 700,000, 90. 90 here. 1,000, 4,000, 30. From this period only they use one digit. It tens 3. So to keep the place, I will put zeros, and about these I will not use. Now let's read the number. It is 794,030. It is in standard form. This is in expanded form. This is in standard form. Okay. Now I will do one here, and you are going to do these 3 home as homework. And next week we are going to continue. What is the question here? Count by 100,000 as shown in the example below. They gave us a number 26,519. Then they add 100,000. I don't have here 100,000. I will put a dash here. Here should be the 100,000. In this number I don't have. In the second one I am going to put 1. So it will be 126,591. In this one I will add to this one another 1. So you are adding 100,000. It will be 226,591. Then again, the 2 will become what? 3. 326,591. So each time I am adding 100,000. At the beginning there was no 100,000. I create this. أنا اللي عملته. I put 1 in the empty place. Now let's go down. They wrote for me 37,257 as the question here above. I don't have 100,000, so I will put a dash. Then I will add to it what? 100. How much I should put? Yes, it will be 137,257. This is 2, sorry. 200. So the number is 137,257. More 1, it will be 237,257. More 100,000, it will be 337,257. Okay, please, next time do 3 or 4 or 5 as a homework, and we are going to continue this page next hour. Until we meet, bye bye.